Okay, so we're going to do a new rendition of Hurricane Party. And I wrote this in, 2005 or 6, after we had Rita, Wilma, Charlie, Katrina, and Jean just pummel Florida. So, but I've written a couple new verses. I hope you like it. Now, my singing ain't that great, but I make it up with really horrible guitar playing. Swirling off of Cuba, a big old storm was brewing. I got a cooler of cold beer. I got chips, dip, and ice here. Let's have some fun. It's only a category 1. Let's have a hurricane party. Invite Rita, Wilma, and Charlie. Batten down the hatches, buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries, maybe some flashlights. Make sure the shutters are closed tight. My girlfriend at school said it was a category 2. We'll need plywood and duct tape. Home Depot's out, it's too late. The traffic was all backed up. There was no gas, just bad luck. Then the guy on TV said it was a category 3. Let's have a hurricane party. Invite Katrina, Sandy, and Molly. Batten down the hatches, buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries, maybe a flashlight, and make sure the shutters are closed tight. Well, the walls started creaking and the ceiling started leaking. Storm surge was rising and the neighbor's roof went flying. Wind started to roar, it was a category 4. Let's have a hurricane party. Invite Marina, Irma, and Hobby. Batten down the hatches, buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries, maybe a flashlight, and make sure the shutters are closed tight. Here's the new verse. Ocean temps are rising and the coral reefs are dying. Storms keep getting stronger, larger, lasting longer. When Jim Cantori has arrived, it's a category 5. Let's have a hurricane party. Invite Michael, Dorian, I'm sorry. Batten down the hatches, buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries, maybe a flashlight, make sure the shutters are closed tight. I crawled into the bathtub and I covered up with a mattress. Crashing thunder and broken glass, the trees are cracking, then the eye went past. Scurried out to take a peek, and all that was left was the kitchen sink. It's a sad story, but it's true. Take a plane to Kansas, don't be a fool. But doesn't Kansas have tornadoes? Well then, we'll have a tornado party. Invite Michael, Dorian, I'm sorry. Batten down the hatches, buy canned food, water, and matches. Batteries and a flashlight, make sure the shutters are closed tight. We need a new Green Deal, 'cause climate change is real. This is a category 5 hurricane. Stay vigilant. Don't get complacent. These newscasters have been wrong. Stay safe, Florida. Peace out.